Nigeria soldier una don move. Nigeria soldier now they don move. They wan go fight Biafra. Una don move to go and fight Biafra. I promise una that anyone wey enter Biafra land, you will never go back alive. God bless Biafra. God bless Oduduwa Republic. And God bless Abasonia. God bless the lovers of freedom. Nigeria soldiers have taken off to Biafra land to kill our mothers and our sisters and our brothers and our fathers that they killed the men before. They want to empty our land, and it will never work. So what I'm telling Nigeria soldier, as you are going there, you will never go back alive. Any soldier, any Nigeria soldier who follow this thing go, whether you are going there to shoot gun or you are going there to look, you will never go back alive. So far you get that mind to stay in Nigeria soldier till today, and you ready to go there and fight our mothers and our side. He said, even they go up to mention one thing, that even his pregnant women, you people will kill. No be today when I start to dey kill. You don't tell una they keep pregnant women for Biafra land. You don't tell una they rape our mothers and our sisters. So no be today. You don't tell una they capture our boys to go and sell, cut their private pants, use them for sacrifice. No be today. So you better you guys doing it now. So no be today with the whatever you guys are saying is not threat to us. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our leaders, is already making pronunciation that so day we are going to launch our force. We are going to launch our soldier, our navy, our air force. So you guys wait. No matter, pack all the battalion from Nigeria come, but you will never go back. We promise you people. You will never go back. We promise you people, you will never go. I promise you people, you guys will never go back. So just before any soldier, before you leave barracks, so write your will, because after all you don't even get will, because how much are you gaining? How much are they paying you? How do you feel? How is your life living? So just go there and die. Go there and die. So the whole world to see what Nigeria is doing now. They are packing soldiers to go and kill us, and we will not close our eye and see that thing. So may God bless Biafra, may God bless Oduduwa Republic, and may God bless the lovers of freedom. So Biafra, don't be afraid. Stand, and God will always stand for us, because this time around it's not a fight of human being, it's a fight of God, because they want to make sure they wipe us away for the earth, and they wipe us away from our land, and God will not accept that. They want us to remain for slave for many years, forever, and God will never accept that. So Biafra, stand on your feet, believe in God, and nothing would happen. That we are coming up straight. Don't mind them, don't mind the threatening. This is empty threatening. This is what they have been doing with Boko Haram for many years, and nothing happened. So if they cannot kill Boko Haram that killed them, how will they have power to kill people that never killed them? So we are ready. So may God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, and I know he's a man of words. Whatever he said is going to happen. So it's already pronounced the day of the launching of our military, Air Force, Navy. So Nigeria, stop all this jumping into motor. So ready, and we are coming up. May God bless Biafra, bless our mothers, bless everybody, all the volunteer. Nothing they happen, we dead there. So Nigeria soldier, watch out and see. Yeah. So dig your grave before you leave your barrack. May God bless Biafras.